Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then run the initial probe. Make sure your platform matches the diagnostics you'll use. Once done, install or update the official codec manager or runtime and note its version. Next, execute the probe command to list codecs. This gives a baseline of what the system reports. You're doing this to isolate whether the issue is missing codec binaries, permissions, or a reporting bug, so record the output for the next stage. You now dive into detailed verification. Inspect codec binaries and shared libraries in expected paths and validate permissions. Incorrect ownership or missing execute flags block availability. Once done, rerun the probe with verbose or debug flags to trace loader paths and fallback attempts so you can see why a codec isn't selected. Make sure to compare that detailed output against the vendor's expected codec list. Discrepancies show whether you need to copy missing files, fix paths, or update runtime configuration. You finish by deploying the fix, place missing codec binaries or create symlinks into the loader's expected directories, then correct permissions. After that, refresh the loader cache or restart the media service and immediately rerun the probe to confirm codecs appear. If the probe still fails, collect full logs, enable debug output, and isolate a reproducible case to avoid guessing. One key troubleshooting tip: if paths look correct but probes fail, test with a minimal CRUT or container to rule out environment contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.